What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BTR Garage. My name is Justin. In today's video, we got a couple engine upgrades for my GR86. We're gonna be throwing on a K&N air filter and a Grimspeed intake tube. So let's go ahead and get started. Taking a look at our Grimspeed intake tube, you can see how much of a cleaner design this guy is over the OEM tube with the corrugated tubing here, or whatever you want to call that. This one also has that little resonator box on the bottom of it, but pretty straightforward to install. We're going to remove the two hose clamps on the throttle body and the intake box. The little clip on the vacuum line here. We'll remove the intake tube, install the Grimspeed tube, and then the air filter is super simple. We'll do that next, but let's get this intake tube taken off. We got our new tube. Don't forget your hose clamps on either side. There we go. Now we're done with the intake tube install. The air filter is also super easy. Simply snap up these clamps, push our airbox back, and just reach in and pull out the old air filter, or the OEM air filter in this case. When you put this back together, just remember there are two little guides on the bottom there. The bottom of the airbox has tabs on it that will fit into those little holes. Open up our K&N filter here. Put this back in just like it came out. Slide the corner in there. Make sure the airbox fits over the edge on this side. You kind of got to push it back. Feel underneath the backside here. Make sure those guides are in place where they should be. And then just snap your clips back into place. Now, do these upgrades actually make the car sound better or louder? Let's find out. I don't know, it does not seem to make that much difference, at least by my ear. Yeah, not gonna lie, it doesn't sound a whole lot different. It still sounds good. Just no extra intake noises or anything like that from adding the intake tube and the aftermarket filter. So there we go, K&N air filter Grimspeed intake tube. Super simple mods to do to your car. Improves the look of the engine bay, at least in my opinion, and also gives you that lifelong filter in the K&N air filter. If you guys have any thoughts, comments, or questions, like always, leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. Stick around for more GR86 stuff coming up very soon. Stay safe out there. I am checking out. We'll talk to you all next time.